So I don't have much time this week to get out and do something more substantial. So I thought I'd get out today while the weather isn't good, and I'm gonna cook lunch. I'm gonna make lunch on a camp stove with a cast iron skillet, and we're gonna have eggs, bacon, and fresh bread. And it's got a short walk to get to the spot. It's really convenient. Let's get at it. Literally, like, this area is surrounded by suburbia. There's houses everywhere, and there's just like a little spot of forest in the middle of it. You can tell this is a party spot for people. Just chaos everywhere. Oh, maybe someone tried to make a drunken bushcraft shelter or something. But yeah, you can tell it's a party spot. Should probably come back here with a garbage bag and clean it. Yeah. So I'm not gonna make lunch right here. I'm gonna go just over there and make it. It's pretty wet everywhere. The ground is so wet. I'm trying to keep my bag off, but it's so heavy because of the cast iron skillet in it. But this will work. Do it right here. So let's set up. Before anything, gotta get the coffee going. You need coffee. Because I'm just trying to be quick doing this, I'm just going to use the AeroPress. Very handy. I highly suggest people get it if you don't not have one and you like camping and you like making coffee quick. Not sponsored. Canadian. Tim Hortons, all the Canadians out there. Way too much. Getting way too excited. The water's boiling. All right, so you just let that brew for like 5 minutes. I'm supposed to give it a stir, but I do not. Or do I have a spoon? I gotta embrace the wetness. Alright, now that we got coffee, we can begin. So we just got pre-made the eggs, pre-made the bread, pre-made the bacon. I cut it up so I can cook the bacon, and then I can just toss the egg into it. And just gotta make bacon, scrambled eggs and bacon combined. But cast iron, you need oil. Funny, I brought a chair, but I think it's easier just to do it this way because it's so low. So oil, so it's starting to smoke, so it's good to go. So let's turn the heat down so I don't burn it. I don't know what the heck what that was. Yo, you're just cooking. You don't want it to be too hot because you're just gonna burn it. You see here it's kind of burnt to the pan. It's too hot. Just let that cook. Simple setup. Just nearly fell over. So if you are to do this on a camp stove with your skillet, just remember the stove burner is smaller, so it's going to cook more here than on the outside. So you want to put everything in the middle, like how I have it here, and monitor it because it burns really quick. Because cast iron gets real hot. Nice just to get out very quickly. It's Tuesday during the week. I know I'm very very lucky to be able to just get away really quick and then get back to what I have to do. I know other people can't do that, so if on a Saturday or a Sunday you can get out and do it, highly recommend. You don't have to go far. I feel like there's this this mentality, you gotta get out, you gotta get to this remote area and do something epic, but you can just go out and cook a lunch really easily in your park. You can do it in your park, anywhere really. Do it in your backyard. This is probably one of my favorite breakfasts that you can have, or lunch, or dinner. It works for every meal. What are some of yours? Comment below. Bacon's nearly done. Oh, it's starting to get nice out. The bacon's done. Now I'm just gonna pour just 3 eggs. Nice and safe here. I don't know what's going I don't know what's going on with my camp stove here. It might be kaputzing. Eggs are done. Just gonna pour them into the plate and make the bread. Now, if I was thinking ahead, I would have brought a container where I can put the eggs in while I do this, because they're probably going to get a bit cold. But it's covered in bacon grease. It's going to taste good regardless. So it's done. We got the eggs, bacon, and fresh bread. Let's give it a try. It's good stuff. And like this will fill me for like, it's probably lunchtime. It's lunchtime right now. This will fill me until dinner, no problem. It's fine. There's just a dude walking over there. I just like, what the heck is this guy doing? And you got the bread. There we go. Wow, this is good stuff. I made quite the mess of my pan. So I'm just gonna dry this off and I'll clean it when I get home. So I'm just gonna finish this up. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my coffee and I'm just gonna go back home. If you like this and you like the content, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Should have really brought a tarp.